Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Spurti, a ServiceNow developer at Palni. In today's video, I will be demonstrating AI agent workflows in ServiceNow by creating and testing an incident to knowledge AI workflow. Before we begin, let's understand the business use case. In many organizations, support teams resolve hundreds or even thousands of incidents every month. These incidents often contain valuable troubleshooting information that can help resolve similar issues in the future. However, creating knowledge articles manually from resolved incidents is a repetitive and time consuming process. It also increases the chances of inconsistent documentation, duplicate knowledge articles, and delays in sharing knowledge across the organizations. That's why we use agentic workflow for creating the knowledge articles. Why do we need an agentic workflow? Traditionally, creating a knowledge article from a resolved incident involves multiple manual steps. An analyst first verifies whether the incident is eligible, checks for existing knowledge articles to avoid duplicates, creates a new knowledge article, updates the incident with the knowledge article details, notifies the appropriate team, and finally reviews the article before publishing it. Although this process is effective, it requires significant manual effort and it is prone to human errors. An AI agent workflow helps to automate this entire business process by using multiple specialized AI agents. Instead of assigning all the responsibilities to a single agent, each AI agent performs a specific task while the workflow coordinates them in the current sequence. This improves efficiency, reduces manual effort, minimizes errors, and ensures that high quality knowledge articles are created consistently. Now let's see the workflow we will be creating. In this demonstration, we will automate the complete incident to knowledge article creation process using three specialized AI agents working together. Now let's see. The first agent is the incident validator agent. It validates whether the incident exists, verifies that it is in resolved state, confirms that the priority is high or critical, and checks whether all the information is required, available or not. Next one is the KB article creator agent. If the validation is successful, the workflow invokes the second agent. The KB article creator agent checks whether a similar knowledge article exists or not. If there is no duplicates, it creates a new knowledge article in the draft state, updates the incident work notes with the KB number, and notifies the knowledge manager. Finally, the workflow invokes the knowledge article reviewer agent. This agent reviews the newly created knowledge article for title, formatting, and completeness and resolution notes. Based on the review, it returns the knowledge status as either approved or needs improvement. Now, let's see how to create the workflow. Now, let's navigate to use cases and here click on new. Now, provide the workflow name as incident to knowledge workflow and give the description based on your requirement. Now, give instructions based on the requirement and based on the agents you are adding. Now, the next section, in the connect AI agents, click on add AI agent. Here, add agents which you are created. The first one is the incident validator agent. And the second one is the KB article creator agent. And the third one is the knowledge article reviewer agent. Here I am adding these three agents for the workflow. Now click on add. Now click on save and continue. In the triggers, if required, configure the appropriate trigger condition to determine when the workflow should execute. Now I'm adding nothing and click on save and continue. Here I have keeping the display as now assist panel true and click save and test. Now we can check the use case by creating the incident. Here we have already created agents with priority as high. and I'm going to keep this as the state resolved with the resolution code as resolved and giving the resolution notes. Here I am copying the incident number and I'm updating the incident to resolve state. Now I'm going to the use case and I'm giving the incident number to create KB article, and now I'm clicking on start test. Now we can observe it, check the details of the incident, whether it is created with high priority or having any other details, showing the status as success, and it moves to the another stage, created KB article, and it send the notification to the knowledge managers, and the status is approved. This is how we create workflows in Agentic AI. The AI agent workflow automatically coordinates all three agents and completes the entire process from incident validation to knowledge article review without manual intervention. This demonstrates how multiple agents can work together within a single workflow to automate complex business process efficiently. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more ServiceNow tutorials and technical content. See you in the next video.